We, 3 weeks ago, almost 4 weeks ago, we started building roads, 55 roads across the county. Every ward there is a road being built in all our 45 wards. Every ward there is a road being built, and the structure, the standards of the roads, you will see them for yourselves. Sometime next week I'll start visiting the road to see that they are up to the standards that we agreed. We did say that the maraming of the roads must be of the highest standards and must be approved and tested before the contractor is allowed to use the maram on the roads. I am told that that is being followed strictly to the letter. I've also given instructions to our people in accounts not to pay even 10 cents until the engineers have certified that the road has been done, and I'm going to hold the engineers accountable if we pay for a road whose construction is faulty. In total,